I'm going to be unboxing a MacBook
Neo,
Neo,
which your dad and mom got you for Eid and for
which
your
my
schoolwork.
mom and dad got me for Eid. So I'm just gonna.
What color is this?
We have to see. It's yellow.
Mm-hmm. They do have a name for it. I forgot the name, but yeah, take it out.
Okay.
Okay, so are you excited about the new
Yeah.
MacBook?
But I put
What does it say? MacBook Neo, and it is an 8 GB memory, 512 GB of storage.
So
And
don't I peel this off?
yes, you peel that off.
And another one?
Yes. Do you think this will help you for the schoolwork?
I mean, fine. What do I do with this now?
Just put it aside.
I'll just stick these together.
Now we focus on this now.
Okay.
Yeah, turn it around. Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
Did you say thank you to your mom and dad?
Yeah.
After this, you should go and hug them and kiss them. Okay, wait. Nice.
So now
Peel.
I'm just gonna remove
Wow, that's a very nice color, right? Can you speak something in Bangla for the viewers from Bangladesh?
Okay. আমি unboxing video করতেছি আমি MacBook করতেছি
Okay,
আর yellow color অনেক সুন্দর
very nice.
okay so it's like really nice
Okay, now try to open the screen. Wow, and take the lid off like the paper. Yes, this is beautiful. Did you say Alhamdulillah to Allah?
and I know how to tie it.
Yeah, just wait for it to set up. So the next thing, if anyone wants to know about MacBook Neo, they should comment below your video and you can reply back them with the solutions you got to it, right? Okay, do you want to go and hug your mom and dad now? I'll follow you. Wait slowly. Okay, I'll say thank you.
Thanks, Mom. Guess what color it is?
What
Yellow.
color?
It's a yellow.
I told you.
And where's your dad?
Dad is on the phone.
Huh? Where is dad?
Dad is on the phone.
Dad is on the
Dad.
phone. Oh, dad is not there?
Dad!
Okay, you should say I love you. Yeah, go, go.
I love you, Dad.
Louder.
Dad. Hey, Dad. Thanks for the MacBook. It's yellow.
Okay. So, say something in Bangla to all your viewers.
Okay, go over there and say it.
আমি ল্যাপটপ অনেক পছন্দ
All right. Okay.
Okay.
Dhannobad.
Says hi.
Okay, and you said dhannobad.
ধন্যবাদ
All right. Say bye.
Bye.